All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, okay? I'm using TradingView. It's a free trading platform. Definitely recommend it to all beginners, and it's very useful for charting crypto as well. They have a lot of cryptocurrency pairs on there, okay? As well as stocks. We're looking at the weekly chart right now. What I want you guys to notice, okay, is that we are bouncing at one of my main support levels, okay, which is right at what's this level? 47,279. Okay, so that's our main support level. We touched it right here. Okay, wick down and touched it, and we are testing it as support right now. So I do think that Bitcoin could see a bounce, all right, and possibly a short-term rally, but I'm not convinced that it's going to go bullish. Okay, so I'm looking for it to possibly bounce off this support level. And for some selfish reasons, I'd like to see Bitcoin fall some more. All right. But here's going to be our main support level, guys. Okay. It's the 47,729 or 279 that I told you guys of. And then our next one is going to be 43,208. And then below that, it's going to be 39,020, 35,429, and then 31,839. Okay. That area, that range is where I see Bitcoin dropping. Okay. And that's purely off of, just basically using some support and resistance levels. Okay. So I could see Bitcoin coming in this area right here, actually. All right. So I would suggest buying the dip on Bitcoin. Damn it, below these levels. Okay. But if you can get it below 37,729, maybe grab a starter position. Okay. But I like it basically in this range right here. All right, from 47,279 down to 31,839. I would look to start accumulating some positions there, but not go heavy. All right. That's where this is all basically going to be our big support levels right here, is in between here. All right. If you notice, after its last rally, it found some support here and here, and it's been using these levels as support and resistance, and it didn't drop below 31,839. I mean, it did, but it just wicked down there. Okay, so we had a couple flash crashes down to like 28,000. All right, below 30,000 on Bitcoin back in May, June, July, so like early summer in 2021. And then we saw a nice little rotation for the fall. And then now winter is here. All right. And we are dropping a little bit. So look for us to catch support at these main levels. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this drawing. And I'm also going to show you guys the fibs. Okay. Because the fibs work really well on crypto. So what we're going to do is draw our swing lows and our swing highs. Okay. And if you want a tutorial kind of breaking down how to use the fibs a little bit more, go ahead and click in the right hand corner right now. And I have a Fibonacci tutorial video. Okay. Very easy, simply explained. All right. So what's going on right now, essentially? Okay. We have my support levels. All right. But if you look on the fibs for this pullback, okay, so we came down, we ran up real high, we came down here, we bounced up. If we can hold support at, what is this, 44,103 and bounce at above 44,103 and basically maintain an uptrend until then and go bullish from there, then Bitcoin is going to be in a strong weekly uptrend. Okay. And then if we bounce a little bit below there, okay, and let's say we break these support levels and we find support at 36,377. All right, then we would be in what's known as a normal uptrend. Okay, so if we come down and we break these support levels and we bounce at 36,377 and then we recover, Bitcoin would be basically, just like in a normal healthy uptrend. It had a really big run up and then it pulled back, very strongly, which is healthy and normal for an uptrend. All right, and then if we go lower and we bounce around 28,000 to 26,000, and we find support there, That's what's known as like the golden ratio or the golden pocket. So it would be really interesting. I think, you know, if Bitcoin does happen to fall down that low, I would definitely be ready to scoop some up. Okay. Because, you know, hedge funds and, you know, Wall Street is also investing in Bitcoin now. A large percentage of the cryptocurrency market cap is currently staked, which if you don't know about staking, I got a video in the top right corner. Okay, you can go ahead and watch that video on staking. It'll give you a brief, you know, summary of it. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and appreciate this. All right. Just trying to update you guys on the support levels for Bitcoin. All right. And what the Fibonacci's tell us the, you know, the where the bounces would happen. Okay. So we have the Fibonacci bounces and then we also have the main weekly chart supports.